Periyar. Periyar, meaning big river, is the longest river and the river with the largest discharge potential in the Indian state of Kerala. It is one of the few perennial rivers in the region and provides drinking water for several major towns. The Periyar is of utmost significance to the economy of Kerala. It generates a significant proportion of Kerala's electrical power via the Idukki Dam and flows along a region of industrial and commercial activity. The river also provides water for irrigation and domestic use throughout its course besides supporting a rich fishery. Due to these reasons, the river has been named the lifeline of Kerala. Kochi city, in the vicinity of the river mouth, draws its water supply from Alua, an upstream site sufficiently free of seawater intrusion. 25% of Kerala's industries are along the banks of river Periyar. These are mostly crowded within a stretch of 5 kilometers in the Elur Adayan region, about 10 kilometers north of Kochi harbour.
Chalakudy River or Chalakudy Pura is the fifth longest river in the Kerala. The river flows through Palakkad district, Thrissur district and Ernakulam district of Kerala. The river has gained its name since it flows along the banks of Chalakudy. The total drainage area of the river is 1704 km square. Out of these, 1404 km square lies in the Kerala and the rest 3000 km square in Tamil Nadu.
Iruvazhinyipura or Iruvanyipura is a major tributary of river Chaliyar and joining to Chaliyar at Kulimadu near Cheruvadi. Its major tributary is Chalipura, which joins with it about 3 km north of Tiruvambadi town. Other tributaries are Mutappanpura, Ulingapura and Karamula river. The famous Dasharagiri waterfall is in the Chalipura river. This river got famous after the movie Ennu Ninne Moideen had a reference about it. Every year, the Malabar River Festival happens in this river, which is recognized as the biggest kayak event in Asia.
Neyyar. The Neyyar River is a river of southwestern India in the Western Ghats. It flows from the Agasthyamala, also known as Agasthyarkoodam Hills, in of Kanyakumari district of Tamil Nadu state. The town Neyyathinkara, situated on the banks of river, is named after this river. The river passes through Neyyathinkara Taluk into the Lakshadweep Sea near Poovar. It has a total length of 56 km. Tributaries include the Kallar, Mullayar and the Karavaliyar river. It has several small canals along the river and the Neyyar irrigation project. Neyyar Dam is situated in this river. A safari park is located near the river. The Neyyar River has been severely affected by sand mining. The catchment area is mostly forested. Command area is under mixed dry land crops such as coconut, tapioca, pepper, plantain, rice, etc.
Yamuna River. Yamuna River is one of the major rivers of India. It is the fifth longest river of India and the second largest tributary of River Ganga. It originates from Badar Pooch glaciers located in Uttarakhand. Yamuna is the lifeline of the capital of India, New Delhi, and it also flows from Haryana and Uttar Pradesh, where it meets with Gangas at Allahabad. Yamuna has equal religious importance as Ganga, and the holy cities like Mathura and Allahabad are situated on the river bank of it. When Yamuna joins Ganga at Allahabad, Prayagraj, the place is called Sangam and Kumbh Mela is organized with much zeal and zest at every 12 years.
The Hul is a Himalayan river which is a part of the watershed of Beast River. The river originates at the Tamsa Glacier in the Daulata range of the Himalayas, flow through the Hul Valley, crossing the villages Badagran and Bharod. In its lower course, it is known as Twin Nala and the Uhul Valley is known as Johar Valley. After passing the Johar Valley, the Uhul meets the Beast River 5 km downstream the Pan. The Uhul originates from the Tamsa Glacier in higher Daulata range. Uhul reaches Palachak where a tributary joins it from the right bank 80 km downstream at Barot. Uhul is joined by Lamba Dung from the left bank. Lamba Dung also flow along the Lodi before merging on.
Baspa River. Baspa River rises near the Indo-Tibetan border and forms the Baspa Valley, also known as the Sangla Valley. One of the most scenic in Himalayas, the Chak-Sagago Pass lies at the head of the valley. It is fed by the perennial glaciers and shares the catchment area with the Ganges. Baspa starts at the Baspa Hills, joins Sutlej River from the left bank near Karcham. The upper and the middle slopes of the valley along the river are covered with pine and oak forest. Pastures, meadows and fields cover the lower slopes. Some of the most picturesque villages in the Himalayas can be found here. Only the lower half of the 95 km length of the valley is inhabited, all the way from Chitkul to where the Baspa meets the Sutlej River at Karcham.
The Ravi River is one of the 5 rivers which flows through Punjab, from which Punjab got its name. It is a transboundary river which originates in Himachal Pradesh in India and flows through Punjab and then enters into Pakistan where it meets River Chenab before flowing into the Arabian Sea. The famous city of Pathankot in India and Lahore in Pakistan are situated on the river banks of Ravi River on the western and eastern side. The total length of Ravi is 720 km. The water of Ravi River is very much important for the irrigation purposes for both India and Pakistan, as well as it also supports the vegetation on its bank. Several irrigation and hydroelectric projects are also running on the Ravi River, which fulfills the demands of agriculture and electricity in the area.
The Sutlej River is the longest of the 5 rivers that flows through the historic crossroad region of Punjab in northern India and Pakistan. The Sutlej River is also known as the Datri. It is the easternmost tributary of Indus River. The Bhagda Dam is built around the river Sutlej to provide irrigation and other facilities to the nearby areas. The tributaries of river Sutlej are Baspa, Spiti and Beas. It has a basin size of 3,95,000 km square and a length of 1,450 km. It has a major hydroelectric point including the 1,325 megawatt Bhagda Dam and 1,500 Natpa Jagri Dam. The drainage basin is mainly in India's Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Jammu and Kashmir and Haryana.
River Beas. The Beas River is a river in North India. It rises in Himalayas in the state of Himachal Pradesh and flows to some 470 km to the river Sutlej in the state of Punjab. Its total length is 270 km and its drainage basin is 20,303 square kilometers large.
Beas River is a haven for adventure lovers and offers the option of whitewater rafting and kayaking to thrill seekers. Constructed over the mighty Beas River upstream of Talwara in Himachal Pradesh, the Pong Dam is one of the most beautiful embankments in India. Beas River is one of the 5 rivers that give the Punjab its name. The Beas River rises at an elevation of 14,308 feet at Rohtang Pass in the western Himalayas, the vast Himalayan mountain range in central Himachal Pradesh. From there, it flows through the Kulu Valley, receiving tributaries from the flanking mountains and then turns west to flow post Mandi into the Kangra Valley. After crossing the valley, the Beas enters Punjab state and veers south and then southwest to its confluence with the Satluj River at Harika after a course of about 290 miles. This river also has many tributaries. The river serves as a source of water to all the cities, towns and villages that fall in its course. The river adds to the natural beauty of the Himalayas.
Parvati River is a river in the Parvati Valley in Himachal Pradesh, northern India, that flows into the Beams River at Bhottar, some 10 km south of Kulu. It rises from the Mantali glaciers below the Pin Parvati Pass and flows in the gradual curve from north-west to west-southwest past the important temple town of Manikar. The river valley has been a route to various places: Lahul across the Saraunga La Pass, Spiti across the famous Pin Parvati Pass, and recently discovered Dapsa Pass. The river has fine fast growth forest in its upper reaches, which are being degraded as a consequence of development of its waste hydroelectric potential.